Galaxies! So, I'm going to be playing Fidget Toy Obby and soon 3 million. I'm just getting over a cold, so don't mind my voice. It's like I'm the end of a cold, so yeah. Anyways, I played this game with Maddie yesterday, so yeah. Let's get into the video. Oh, well, before we get into the video, Galaxies, please like and subscribe and follow me on Roblox at Rainbow Galaxy 474. And this is my cousin right here. It's Rainbow Galaxy 474, and it's Uzo_EE for his actual username. So just look under the display name and make sure it's me. Because that's my actual username. So, yeah. So you can buy these Robux stuff right here. Because I have a DNA ball and a Tangle. But I really want that dimple. That's nice. Pop. I didn't even get to the 8. Pop, eat. Like, who's playing? It's just me and this girl, Alexus. So shout out to you, Alexus. And my joins are up for followers on Rainbow Galaxy 474. Oh, it says Infinity Cube, but this is not an Infinity Cube. This is a Fidget Cube. My joins are up for followers, so yeah, go follow me on Roblox, so then you might be able to join a game with me. What do these things do? Monkey. Oh, okay. Rubik's Cubes, uncommon. I didn't even get to go to the end.
That's why this is the best night of your life. Because the magazine. It's supposed to be a night about us.
About us.
You pretty much just made it a night about you.
What?
Serious? I mean, sure, I helped out a friend with some work and caught a lucky break, but if anything, I feel like I spent the entire night worrying about you.
There you go. Go over the Tangle. Yeah, I think Tangles are rare. I don't like these type of stress balls. Ball squishies, okay, slime. There's magnetic rings. I have those. And please subscribe to Rainbow X Fidgets. Also, that I'm gonna link that at the beginning of the video. So then, please go subscribe to Rainbow X Fidgets. That's my fitness channel. Shoot. So yeah, I have 11. Shoot, I'm gonna be right back, Galaxies, once I get to. So, oh, I can't jump. Wait, oh, there we go. Whee! So Maddie also changed her avatar. Oh, beautiful. What? Okay. What? Really? So yellow, red, blue. Oh, it and Alexus1233. Subscribe. I mean, look. So shout out to you, Alexus. This is a long obby, so I might not get to it all this whole video. Sadly. Okay, I'll be right back, Galaxies, and I'll skip a few stages. So, yeah. We'll be right back, Galaxies. So, I'm probably going to be skipping a lot of stages because this is a good game. So, this is a longer game than the other one I played. So I might not be able to have it because my limit for filming, for screen recording is 10 minutes. Or also cut out some stuff, so that's why some of my videos are like that. Some of them are like a little bit over. Anyways, oh, never mind. I cut out like a whole like bottom part of it. So okay, never mind. And just everything like this is just because of yeah. Oh, I kind of want to do a green. Wait. Sorry, I bark like a dog. I literally do. It's just something I do. What is this? What? Who people are talking? Literally, these things are so weird. No offense. No offense. But the music is kind of weird of what they're talking about. The other music is the aesthetic. I like it. Really cute. No, my heart went wee. No, my heart went beep. That's what Maddie does. She always goes, my heart went beep. And I do, my heart went wee. And she's just like, no. I even do the pop it. My heart went pop it. Well, anyways, Galaxies, thank you so much for tuning in. I'll see you guys next video. Bye. Rainbow out.